Good morning, students. Last class we studied alkane. Anyone say the general formula of alkane?
NH2N plus 2.
Very good. Name the simplest alkane.
Methane.
Very good. Why alkanes are called saturated compounds? Yes, correct answer. Alkanes are called saturated compounds because it contains only single bond. Today we learn about the topic alkanes. The hydrocarbon which contain one or more carbon-carbon double bonds are called alkenes. The hydrocarbons which contain one or more carbon-carbon double bonds are called alkenes. That means hydrocarbon contains maybe one double bond or two double bond or more than two double bond. Okay, so what is meant by alkenes? The hydrocarbons which contain one or more carbon-carbon double bonds are called alkanes. These alkenes are unsaturated compounds because it contains double bond. They are represented by the general formula CnH2n. The simplest alkene contains two carbon atoms. That compound name ethylene. Only one carbon atom means that compound is methane. 2 carbon ethane. 3 carbon propane. 4 carbon butane. 5 carbon pentane. So the simplest alkene compounds 2 carbon atoms and is called ethylene. Now everyone listen carefully. The general formula of alkene CnH2n. N equal to 2. The value of N equal to 2. So you substitute N value. C2H 2 into 2 equal C2H 4. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. C2H4. So, how many carbon atoms here? 2 carbon. So, this compound name ethylene. See the suffix ene. So, the C2H4 is a alkene. ALKENE, alkene. Suffix ene. So the simplest alkene is ethylene. Then N equal to 3. CnH2n, the general formula of alkene. N value 3. Now substitute N value C3H 2 into 3 equal C3H 6. How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. So this name propylene. Carbon 3 propylene. See the suffix ene. Ene represent these compounds contain double bond. So the next one, N equal to 4. Now say the general formula CnH2n. Substitute N value C4H 2 into 4 equal C4H 8. So how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms. So name of this compound? Butene. So next one, N equal to 5. General formula CnH2n. Substitute the N value C5H2 into 5 equal to C5H10. How many carbon atoms here? 5. So the compound name pentene. Now we studied all the compounds suffix ene. So these all the compounds have double bond. So the first compound ethene. Simplest alkene is ethene. C2H4 ethene. IUPAC name ethene. Then second one C3H6. Carbon 3 means propane, but C3H6 contain double bond. So this name propene. Next one C4H8. How many carbon? 4 carbon. So this name butane. Fifth carbon C5H10. Pentene. See, these are the compound suffix ene. Ene represent these all the compounds have double bond. So these all the compounds are commonly called alkene. Now we learn about how to write the structure. Simplest alkene C2H4. How to write the structure? How many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2. Last class we studied. So carbon valency 4. Yes. Okay. So carbon surrounded by how many bonds? 4 bonds. Okay. So here how many hydrogen is there? Only 4 hydrogen. Okay. 4 hydrogen means each carbon have 2 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen carefully. This is first carbon, second carbon. See the first carbon, valency 4. Okay. So here one bond, 1, 2. Remaining how many bond needed for this carbon? 2 bond. So here we can write 2 bond. So the next second carbon surrounded by how many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here C2H4 in between, carbon between, double bond. So this compound is called alkene. The next example C3H6. How to write the structure? How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. So listen, carbon, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so check each carbon surrounded by how many bonds. See the first carbon surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Here second carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 bond. Third carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So these compound contain only one double bond. So these compounds are called alkene. Next example, C5H10. How many carbon atoms? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hydrogen? 10 hydrogen. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see the first carbon surrounded by how many bond? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. The next fourth carbon fourth carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. These compound contain double bond. So this compound name pentene. Okay, today we learn alkene. General formula CnH2n. See the tabular column. Alkene. Number n equal to 2, that compound ethene. N equal to 3, propene. N equal to 4, butene. N equal to 5, pentene. See the suffix ene. Ene represent these compounds are double bond. Thank you.